woke up early, her tail wagging with excitement because today she wanted to spend the whole day playing with her mum, Chilli. The house was quiet, but Bluey tiptoed into the living room, carrying her favorite toys. When Chilli walked in with a warm smile, Bluey shouted, "Mum, let's play." Chilli laughed gently and agreed, asking, "What game shall we play first?" Bluey thought hard and decided on magic statues. They stood in the middle of the room, dancing to imaginary music, spinning and hopping. Each time Chilli shouted, "Freeze," they both tried to stop as still as statues. Bluey giggled so much that she almost toppled over, and Chilli's laughter filled the room too. After that, they moved outside to the backyard. Bluey grabbed a skipping rope, and Chilli helped swing it so Bluey could jump through. Bluey shouted numbers as she hopped, 1, 2, 3, until she lost count and fell in the grass, rolling around with laughter. Chilli joined her, lying down under the sky and pointing out funny shapes in the clouds. Together, they spotted a bunny, a dragon, and even something that looked like Bandit's belly. Next, Bluey asked her mum to play hospital. Bluey became the doctor, wearing a toy stethoscope, and Chilli pretended to be a patient with a sore paw. Bluey tapped on her paw, listened carefully, and announced, "You're all better." Chilli cheered and hugged her little doctor tightly, proud of her imagination. In the afternoon, they built a fort out of blankets and cushions in the living room. Inside their little hideout, they shared stories and snacks. Bluey whispered about being a brave explorer, while Chilli pretended to be a queen protecting her castle. The fort echoed with giggles and make-believe adventures. As the day came to a close, Bluey leaned against her mum, feeling tired but happy. Chilli stroked her head softly and said, "I love spending time with you, Bluey." Bluey smiled, replying, "Me too, Mum. You're the best." It was a simple day, but for Bluey and her mum, it was a treasure full of love, laughter, and unforgettable memories.